I'm super excited to do this mani for you guys today. It's actually a really quick and easy holiday mani, and I actually am really excited to do this. Usually I use glitter nail polishes, which actually these are glitter nail polishes. They're just different ones than I normally use, and I'm pretty sure that I've showed this idea before, but this one is super cool. I am actually using 90 Lacquers Santa Suit. I'm using Starly's Everest, which I think goes really well with Santa Suit. And I am using Starly's Galaxy Glitter Topper. So let's get started. First of all, I'll be applying base coat to all of my nails. Okay, so on some of my fingernails, I'll be using the red, and on the other ones, I will be using the green. Oh, I forgot how much I loved this red. Oh my gosh. I truly love this red polish. It is amazing. I'm going to go in with a second coat. And this is a great polish from Starly. Oh, this is so beautiful. Starly actually sent me a few polishes, and this was actually one of them to try out on my channel, do some swatches. I did it a long time ago, but I really love this polish. And they had a great Black Friday sale, and I happened to get a whole bunch more polishes that I've been dying to try. So you'll see those coming up in future videos. I do love both of these polishes. I was so excited to find Santa Suit on my shelf and realize that it's the perfect polish to go with Everest for my Christmas mani. Now I could just stop here and this would still be an awesome Christmas mani, but I'm going to take it one step further. Now I'm going to use a little piece of makeup sponge, and I'm going to brush on some of the glitter. Hopefully I get some better pieces than that. Okay, here we go. That one's kind of big. Oh, there's a star. All right. Great. Now I'm just going to sponge it on to the green, kind of make it look like a Christmas tree. I want that star. Oh, it's still now it's stuck to the sponge. There it is. There we go. Just going to sponge a little bit more on. Oh, there we go. I think this looks just like ornaments on a Christmas tree. Still trying to get that little star. There it is. I got a couple stars on there. Cool. And then I will do the other finger. There we go. It's a subtle look, but I think it looks pretty Christmas tree-like. Now I'm just going to add my favorite long-lasting top coat, and it's super shiny. So it'll make this mani really pop. So I'll just finish this up and then come back. So here is the finished mani. I love how it came out. It is so festive and Christmassy, and you can literally use any green or red nail polishes, your favorite Christmas ones, and loose glitter or a glitter topper works really well. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.